Colourpop actually came out with mascaras, like a range of mascaras. All these are all colored. Apologize to hollow, but it's hollow. With red, pink, yellow, teal, blue, purple, and black. So, now if you want to know my thoughts, swatches, how these look on your lashes, as well as do they last, then keep watching. And one last thing, I know my voice is a little bit off. I do apologize. I'm a tad sick, but I'll explain a little bit about what's going on with my voice in the next 10 seconds. But most importantly, if you want to know what's going on with these products, keep watching. Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Once again, like I said, I do apologize in advance. I'm not feeling all too good right now. My voice is a little bit off, and if you're worried, don't worry, I'm not contagious or anything. I just think it's this weather. Everyone here in Texas is sick. Basically, just in case you're curious, my lymph node right here, I'm a little bit swollen and it's pushing against my voice box. I do have some antibiotics, and this is as loud as I can be, so I do apologize. As well as cough syrup with codeine in it. So, and I do cough, so just FYI, I will be editing the coughs because I'm sure that's the last thing y'all want to see is me coughing and coughing up lung. So I'm actually better, just in case you're wondering. I was like terrible sick before, but you know, I'm getting better each day. I'm getting better. So I just want to apologize that some of this video may be a voiceover and it may not, but I have a feeling a couple of parts may be a voiceover. So I do apologize. So I don't normally sound like this. If you're new, I really appreciate you being here. By the way, I'm still sick, but I sound way better than I did in this section. It just sounds really bad. My apologies. But I would like to invite you to consider subscribing and remember to push the little notification bell. Once again, thank you so much for your patience. And remember, please follow me on all of my social medias at Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, and it all has the exact same handle at Enidbluesinger, as well as my IMDb page, Enid Lopez. Even though I really haven't been acting because I've been working on my album, even though right now it's kind of at a standstill, as you can tell, I can't even sing. And talking, you get the picture. And today we'll be talking about the BFF Colourpop Volumizing Mascara. So if you're ready to know about the colors they have, how they look, build, review, then see you in just a second. Well, welcome back. We'll be working on the BFF Colourpop Volumizing Mascara. As you can tell, there are absolutely 7 beautiful colors. And the packaging, I know, stunning, just hollow. Just look at that shine. Woo! Look at that shine. Just wanted to let you know that each of these mascaras are about $8 each. So they're cheaper than the drugstore. They're not too expensive. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you all the colors that it says on here. It goes to Left on Red, Pink Ink, Yellow Goodbye, Kiss and Tell, Blue Ya Mine, Purple Prose, and Black on Black. Now, I have been testing some of these colors, not all of them, just wanted to let you know. So I will give you my thoughts, and the ones that I actually have tried, I'll let you know. The ones that I haven't, of course, I'll let you know as well how they go. Okay, I want to go to the lightest to darkest. The first color I'm going to use is this yellow one. It's called Yellow Goodbye. Look at the packaging. It's nice, beautiful, sparkly, yellow hollow. And on the actual insert on this mascara, it says, "Hello, I'm here." All right, so let's try it on. All right, I actually wanted to show you the shape of the wand. It's kind of like a natural bristle. If you look at it as I'm getting closer to you, it looks like the same bristle type as the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I currently don't have that on me at the moment, but it looks about the same. Now, since they're both volumizing, are they going to work the same? Interesting, don't you think? But let's try it onto the eye, and let's see what it does. Come on, yellow. And just FYI, my lashes are one of those droopy ones. They don't easily curl up. So I will be using a curler. this is how the yellow looks.
As you can tell, that's basically how the yellow looks like on my lashes. You can still see my natural black lashes. So if you just want a little bit of something but not too noticeable, this will be a good mascara. But other than that, it's one of those that you're gonna have to build up. Now the next color we're gonna try is this pink one. On the box it says pink ink, but when I take it out, the insert says never basic. See, it's nice, beautiful pink hollow. Now let's try it on.
Well, I already have my thoughts on this. This is very light. It's not very pigmented, and you don't see really any color with the first stroke. Just to get this pink, and it's not all that intense, look. It's very, very light. So if you're the type of person that's new to color, but you want a little tint, not enough for people to notice you have like that much of a color, this would be a good product for you. But I like things to be pigmented, and just to get this, it took me a couple of layers. Still think I need to build some more just to have even more of the pigmentation I desire. Yeah, this isn't one of my favorites, the pink one. The next color in this line I'm going to try is this one. On the package it said left on red, red color. Red packaging, and on here it says who's ghosting who. We've all had that relationship where someone ghosted, didn't we? Same type of brush. Look at that red. Let's see how pigmented it is. For me, I feel like this is the same type of thing as the pink. You have to keep layering to even get any pigmentation. It took a while to get even here, and I still feel like I need to add some more. Same thing as the pink, same as the other one. Unless you want like a little tint of color, an everyday look, or just a little touch of something, this will work. But if you like something nice and bold and actually seeable, this ain't for you. So this is going to be, unfortunately, another one of my colors.
Now just a thought, because the pink and the red you do have to build up. I'm thinking because you have to be careful how, or else you may end up with pink eye, which is probably why it's not so pigmented. Just thought.
The next color we're gonna try is Kiss and Teal. I actually have tried this and I do like the color. I know, spoiler alert, but I actually do like this one. And on here it says you're magical. No wonder why I like it, right? And it's like the same color as like my little background back here. Look at the shininess. There's the wand of it. Now, as you can tell, this one's more pigmented than the red and the pinks. I do like this one. You do have to build with this one, maybe like 2 or 3 coats, but you at least get the pigmentation. The other two, you would have to build more than that to even get this lightness that you saw a minute ago. So I do like this one. And little FYI, this one actually does last all day. It's absolutely gorgeous. I like this one. So in this side too, this is a good color to get. You're magical, and this nice greenish color.
Alright, the next color we're going to try, on the box it says Purple Prose. It's a nice purpley color. It's my second favorite color, by the way. The wand, just like the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. And let's see how this wears.
Now, if I do apologize in advance as I'm oiling up to get a lot of the colors out. So the volume may not come out as quick as it should be because I'm like repeatedly doing everything. But I will get a final color at the end, promise. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Look. This one I think even got more pigmented than the teal one. Love this one. This one, the first layer, it's good if you just want like a subtle look, like for an everyday makeup look. But if you like nice and bold, second, third, oh my god, look at it. Bam. This is, ooh, I like this mascara. So if you're looking for a little bit of that pigmentation to where you can go subtle to bold, this will be your friend, my dears. This will be your friend. Once again, this is the volumizing, and well, actually this one's a little bit different, because on here on the box it says Prose, but in here it says insert clever saying here. So this, from my clever saying, I would think it would be natural to bold, my dears. Or are you feeling natural or bold tonight? And then we're off with 2 more colors left. Then we're gonna try the old classic black. On here it says black on black. This, it says lashes, check. This one I have tried and tested all day, especially for work. I'll give you my thoughts in just a second. I like this mascara because even for the first few swipes, as you can tell, it lifts everything up, and I've tried a couple of mascaras, as you can tell, but it lifts them up. It's nice. It's very black. It volumizes, my dears. It really does. I have tried this whole day at work for multiple days, and it lasts all day. The length, like to keep them up, mine, because they're flimsy, it's only there for like an hour. I ain't gonna lie. So you have to gonna keep eye curler constantly, but for me, usually I don't, unless that's your type of thing. Or if your lashes actually do last all day by history, then this works fantastic. It doesn't flake on the bottom here. I do use the bottom lashes. Now under here sometimes it will smudge, but that's typical for most mascaras, but it's not as bad. I've had expensive mascaras that it is like Ghostin. This one doesn't do that, so this is definitely a buy, and it's an everyday color. Go to work and you're not like, ooh, people aren't gonna look at you bad. So this one on lashes check is definitely approved, just so you know. The only thing I do gotta say about this black is that it is the messiest to take off, but since you're taking this off at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter. But if you decide, because I doubt a lot of people are gonna be switching color mascaras like I'm doing right now, but just in case, you know, you want to take off, restart or whatever, and you already have your makeup on, beware, this actually does smudge. The others don't, believe it or not, but this one does. Yeah, the black. And this beautiful collection is this one, Blue Ya Mind. This is my favorite color. Beautiful packaging. And on here it says mind equals blown. So let's see how this one works. Love the pigmentation of it, look. Okay then, I already have a wonderful opinion about this, as you saw while me applying. I love this. Just one swipe and color is like kind of like how I like it. It's nice and pigmented and just you know what, I'm gonna try this on my bottom lashes. Okay, as you can tell, this is how it looks like on the top and bottom lashes. So I say they named this correctly, Blow Ya Mind. So that is basically my review of the 7 shades of the Colourpop. I'm going to give you a quick little reminder of what each one, what I like and didn't. These 3, I can go ahead and bundle them up because they're basically the same opinion, same review. The yellow, Hello I'm Here, pink one, Never Basic, and the nice luscious red and Who's Ghosting Who. These 3, they're nice colors. They're not very pigmented. You have, as you saw in the clip, you have to keep building and building and building them up until you get the color that you absolutely desire. So this, as I mentioned, maybe looks neutral looks, and you want just a touch of color, but you don't want people to really see you have color, maybe just a little bit, like on certain lights. This will work. If you like bold colors like the one I'm wearing, like Blow Your Mind, these aren't going to be it, but this is just a preference, and just letting you know about these. Me personally, I don't think it'd be worth it. Now that I have it, do I regret it? No. I do plan to use them in future tutorials to let you know how this will work. If you like the idea, comment below. These next 3, I have the same opinion as well. The blue one is called Mine Equals Blown. I love it. It's what I have on my lashes right now. Currently, it was the last one. I absolutely love this. I'm gonna keep this on for the rest of the day. You know, obviously it'll look better with more shadows, but I do love it. Just one pigmentation. I was surprised with my lashes because my lashes tend to droop down. The fact that it went straight up. Yeah, this is basically it. Also, this purpley one is my second favorite color, and insert clever and saying here, and I think I said, is it here? So you can go ahead and put whatever saying you like. If you have an idea, comment below. But this I really like. Build it up same way, and the same thing for the teal in your magical. So this is absolutely beautiful. I like the building. You don't have to do so much, but if you can always build it up as you can if you desire. So that's my opinion of this. And then of course our everyday color, the black. The lashes, check. I do like it because I feel like this is going to be the color that everyone is going to be wearing anyway. The majority of people wear black, some people wear brown. I personally don't really like the brown because it meshes too much on my skin personally, because even though I am light, my undertone, I have a darker tone. Like I can't, like as you would think, like foundations and even powders, like the brightest one, because it doesn't show up on my skin. You have to go a tad darker and then you're like, oh, it actually fits your skin. So yeah, I'm actually a little different than what you would think. But yes, this black, as I stated earlier, is long lasting. It doesn't flake. It's the same thing as the other last three colors. You put it up, it builds. You don't have to worry about it. And at the end, like right here in the bottom lashes, if you do wear mascara on your bottom lashes, it does flake a little bit, but I've seen that with low and high end mascaras. Just so you know, I am allergic to a lot of things. I have to pay attention what I put, especially around the eye area, and I normally do not wear drugstore mascaras because a lot of the ingredients drugstore wise I'm allergic to. These I was a little concerned, but I haven't had a bad reaction or anything, so this may be good if you're sensitive. So you know, always patch test it, but I personally, so far I'm pretty good. This lasted all day. So this one, if you want to just try one mascara that's cheaper than the drugstore and you don't want to spend a lot, because with these anyway you're gonna throw away within 3 months. Now this formula does seem to be kind of dry, so they may last less. So the fact that it's cheaper, you won't completely feel like you wasted your money. So just wanted to let you know. But this I like. And just if you're wondering, Colourpop do sell these on their website. And no, I'm not in their PR packages. Colourpop doesn't even know who I am. Kathleen Lights doesn't even know who I am. I'm just a big fan of both of them. And so, like I said, packaging, absolutely wonderful. It's not too big, and hollow.
And thank you so much for being here. And if you made it to the end of this video, yay! I'm so proud of you. First, I want to show you my appreciation and thank you for two things. One, for having patience for my voice. Thank you. I really appreciate it. And also for making it to the end of this video, because I know it's hard to make it till the end. Now, as you can tell, if you like these kind of swatches, first impressions, please let me know. Comment below. Also, let me know. Just let me know if you have purchased this, and let me know what you like. If you just bought a particular color, is it as pigmented, is not pigmented, what works, what doesn't work, let me know. Comment below. I'll be more than happy to hear about those, because I want to know what your thoughts are. It's not just mine, your thoughts. Once again, thank you so much. I really appreciate your patience, especially with me not feeling so great. Thank you.
So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And just remember, consider subscribing. Give me a like if you like my video. I would really appreciate it. And comment below. Let me know what else you would like to see, what brands. Just let me know. Remember to share this video. I would really appreciate it. Once again, thank you for your patience with my lovely voice being the way it is. Just one last thing. My favorite thing I like to say for all of you guys, because I do appreciate you. Remember, be safe, be kind, be careful. I love you. I miss you. And I'll see you on my next video. Hopefully my voice will be back and I'm better. Alright, until next time. Love you. Bye.